हेलो
एक रह गया तो मैं
I request all the audience to kindly stand up for Saraswati Vandana. Now Saraswati Vandana will be rendered by Shwetank and Dhruv.
जय 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 श्री माता सरस्वती, जय 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 श्री माता सरस्वती, वीणा वादनी शुभ वरदायिनी, वीणा वादनी शुभ वरदायिनी, पद्मासनी तू माता सरस्वती, पद्मासनी तू माता सरस्वती, जय 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 श्री माता सरस्वती, जय 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 श्री माता सरस्वती, शुभ वरदायिनी, वीणा वादनी शुभ वरदायिनी, पद्मासनी तू माता सरस्वती, पद्मासनी तू माता सरस्वती, जय 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 श्री माता सरस्वती, जय 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 श्री माता सरस्वती। बुद्धि प्रदायिनी, जगत तारिणी तू मातु सरस्वती जय 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 श्री मातु सरस्वती जय 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 श्री मातु सरस्वती वाणी तू तेमर नाशनी वेद वाणी तू तेमर नाशनी मंगलकारिणी मातु सरस्वती मंगलकारिणी मातु सरस्वती जय 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 श्री मातु सरस्वती जय 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 श्री मातु सरस्वती शुभ वरदायिनी शुभ वरदायिनी पद्मासनी तू मातु सरस्वती पद्मासनी तू मातु सरस्वती जय 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 श्री मातु सरस्वती जय 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 श्री मातु सरस्वती मातु सरस्वती मातु सरस्वती
Help us to shed our inertia and guide us on the path of knowledge and wisdom. That was the quintessence of the prayer rendered by Shwetank and group. Now, I hand over the mic to Jaspreet and Pulkit to take you further with the program.
Amrita. Good morning, all of you. I, Pulkit Sharma, of BTech second year from Electronics and Communication Department,
आपका हैंड आ रहा है
And I, Jaspreet Kaur from BTech second year Biotechnology Department, would like to welcome you all in Priveda 2011, the threefold program.
Viveka, the annual cultural fest of SGI, is a massive participation of the three colleges, namely Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Anand Engineering College, and BMAS. It's an event which is with the youth, for the youth, and by the youth.
To begin with, I would like to invite our director, Dr. Shravan Mukherjee, to kindly welcome all the dignitaries present here.
Respected poet, Professor Ashok Chakrabarty, our Vice Chairman, Mr. Y.K. Gupta, Director of this college, on behalf of the directors of all SGI Group colleges, advisors, faculty, students, and the parents who are here, I welcome you all for this program of Gyanjyoti 2011. Gyanjyoti 2011 is 11 years old program. Is a tradition of Hindustan College of Science and Technology. This program started in 2000. Now we are celebrating 11 years. And what more, that today is a cultural festival. We are having with us a great poet, Professor Ashok Chakrabarty. Thank you very much, sir, to be with us. Big hand to him. Gyanjyoti is annual event of the college to provide a platform for the students to demonstrate the skill, creativity, whatever the way they would like to do. There is a lot of activities where the Ganjut is performing, where 5,000 students of this college show their creativity and talents. The way you have just heard, one first year student is the best guitarist we have in the college now. It is a great opportunity for all the students of this college to show their creativity, talents in front of their peers, in front of the society, in front of the SGI group. One important thing I would like to share with you, Professor Chakradhar sir, Hindustan College not only encourage academics, our students are equally good in cultural, sports, and got lot of prizes across different part of the country whenever they participate. Most important thing which I like to share with you, sir, every year almost 1.5 lakh students appear for the UP2 annual exams. Out of 1.5 lakh final year students, only 101 people was given the rank. There are 600 colleges in the UP2. Out of the 600 colleges, out of 101 students get a rank, and Hindustan College is the only college in the region, in the group, has got 11 awards for this. The real achievements, 11 ranks out of 101 is a remarkable job. The teachers of this college, parents of this college, parents of our students, and the students who has done exceptionally well and make Hindustan College is a benchmark company, and for the benchmark college, for the regions, for the group. The final year batch for this year, you have to cross this benchmark of 11 ranks and you have to exceed that. That is the challenge for the final year students. I welcome all the parents and some of the passed out students who are here. Make it happen to come over here to take the participation. Today is the day we honor the people, recognize the people who have done extraordinary work in the academics, sports, in other activities. With these small words, I know all of you are waiting for Professor Chakradharji to speak to you, to listen his poet. I will not take time. Again, I welcome you, all the people coming over here on this campus. Thank you.
To make your acquaintance with Trividha 2011, I would like to request Dr. A.K. Gupta, convener of Trividha, to kindly come on the stage.
Very good morning to each and everyone present here. The guest of honor of today's function, Dr. Ashok Chakradharji, the great poet of international repute, our dynamic source of inspiration, Vice Chairman, SGI, Shri Y.K. Gupta ji, Professor B.D. Gupta, Director, Anand Engineering College, Mr. Anupam Saurabh, EVP of SGI, the driving force behind this mega festival, Professor Shravan Mukherjee, Director, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Professor A.K. Srivastav, Director, Anand College of Pharmacy, Professor S.N. Lal, Advisor, Professor R.C. Maheshwari, Director, R&D, dear faculty members, students, staff, and alumni of all good colleges, participants from every college, honorable jury members for all events, invited guests, and our all well-wishers from print and electronic media. I take this opportunity to talk something about Trividha, the cultural fest of SGI. This is the first mega event of its type in Northern India. In past years, our colleges were celebrating these functions at our college levels only, and students of various colleges other than SGI were also participating. But this year, we took the decision to organize these functions at a group level in which our all institutions are equal partners and events have been distributed amongst our own colleges. Basically, the cultural fest is being organized to showcase the talent of engineering and management students beyond their curriculum and to share their talent with their counterparts across the country. We have invited more than 450 institutions across the country and a good number of participants have come from outside colleges. There are many major events in Trivida which are common to all colleges, and there are some events which are taking place in individual colleges. Mainly they are singing. Singing has been classified in three: classical, western and contemporary, and in all these three we have got another three distributions: solo, duet and group. Similar is in the dance: classical, western and contemporary, again solo, duet and group. In dramatics we have got nukkad, skit, plays, stand-up comedies and mimes. In literary we have got debate competition, extempore competition and poetry competitions. In land gaming, of course, the land gaming was for the technical program, but it has been put in the Trivida program: Counter Strike, NFS and Most Wanted. In quiz, we have got three types of quizzes: Bollywood quiz, sports quiz and general quiz. There are many fun events like roadies, bar of bands, bar of DJs and personality hunt. We have arranged for mega band from outside also. Yesterday there was a band performance in BMS Engineering College by Agaz. Today in SCST, Groove Adda will be giving the performance today here, and tomorrow in Anand Engineering College, Bandish will be giving the performance. There are fine arts competitions in which there are 8 events: Rangoli, street painting, tattoo making, sketching, poster making, collage, paper craft and fresh flower arrangements. These events are being concurrently organized in our all 3 campuses of Agra and Mathura, and in one prestigious hotel of Agra, that is Class Shiraj, where the programs of management students is going on. And today in the evening the valedictory function will be taking place there. Every participant in these events is being given a kit and a participation certificate. In every event, first, second and third prizes will be awarded, ranging from rupees 10,000 to rupees 1,000, along with certificates of merit. The total prize money for Trivida events is more than rupees 5 lakhs. I believe that all the participants are participating in all the events with full zeal and sportsman spirit. Just for information to all the present, those who are present here, inauguration of the technical fest of SGI, which is named as Sukrut, was held at BMAS at 10 a.m. yesterday, that is the 3rd March 2011. The valedictory function of Sukrut and Trivida combined together will take place at Anand Engineering College at 4 p.m. on 5th March 2011. And on behalf of the organizing committee of SGI, I invite each and everyone present here to be present in the valedictory function. The students of our colleges, of our all colleges, are very